Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when a plus b plus c is 123, b plus c plus d is 129, 2d minus 3a is equals to 0, and we have to find the value of a and d. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm considering it as equation number 1, this as equation number 2, and this as equation number 3. So I'm taking equation number 3 first. So 2d minus 3a is equals to 0. So we can write it as 2d is equals to 3a, or we can divide both sides by 2. So the value of d is 3 by 2a. So we find the value of d in terms of a. Now with the help of equation number first and second, we again find the value of d in terms of a. So for that, we are going to subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. So our equation number 2 is b plus c plus d minus a plus b plus c is equals to 129 minus 123. Now b plus c plus d minus a minus b minus c is equals to 129 minus 123 is 6. Now we eliminate with b with minus b plus c with minus c. So what is left? D minus a is equals to 6. Now we have the value of d, that is 3 by 2a. So 3 by 2a minus a is equals to 6. So now I'm going to take the LCM. So LCM is 2. And here 3a minus 2a is equals to 6. So a by 2 is equals to 6. Now I'm going to multiply with 2 both sides. So we can eliminate this, and the value of a is 12. Now comes to d. So we are going to put the value of a in this. So d is equals to 3 by 2a. So 3 by 2 multiplied by 12. So we can eliminate this 6. And the value of d is 3 times 6, that is 18. So our final value of a and d is a is 12 while d is 18. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.